All right, everybody, welcome back. We're driving into something pretty cool today.
Yeah.
Favor composition over inheritance.
Nice.
Have you heard of this? I bet you have.
Oh, it's a class.
It's a big one in software design.
Yeah.
And we've got this awesome piece, Texto Pagado, we're going to pull some stuff from.
Sweet.
And, I think even if you're not like a hardcore coder, this is going to be good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because it kind of helps you see how things are, well put together.
Yeah.
Whether it's an app or just, I was thinking like a well-organized kitchen.
Right.
There's good design everywhere.
Totally. Yeah. This principle is really all about making good choices. Like, think about it like, I don't know, building a house. Right? You want the right building blocks.
Yeah.
You want something strong, adaptable, easy to work with.
Makes sense.
Right.
So, okay, how does that actually work with software though?
Right.
Because I know Texto Pagado mentions Lego blocks. Is that a good way to think about it?
Legos are perfect. Yeah. Yeah. So imagine you're building, I don't know, a car out of Legos.
Okay.
With inheritance, you might start with a basic frame and just build everything on top of that, right?
Yeah.
But what if you decide later, I want to swap out this engine for something else?
Oh, yeah.
It gets messy, right?
Yeah, you're stuck.
Yeah, you're stuck with that original choice, even if it isn't the best anymore.
Right.
But with composition, you build all these separate pieces, right? Engine, wheels, chassis, all independent, then you just connect them.
Oh, I see.
So you can easily swap that engine out for an electric one or something without redesigning the whole car.
Yeah.
Much more flexible.
I gotcha.
Right.
So, okay, so in code, that means we're talking adaptable, easier to maintain.
Absolutely.
Easier to troubleshoot. Right.
Exactly.
But I was thinking it's the difference between having a nice organized toolbox versus just this tangled mess of wires when you're trying to fix something.
That's a great analogy.
Yeah.
Right. With composition, you're making these components.
Right.
And they've got clear interfaces, so they're easy to test.
Yeah.
You can modify them without messing everything up.
Makes sense.
It's just overall better, more robust software.
Okay, so I know Texto Pagado also talks about this tight coupling thing.
Right.
What is that? In plain English.
Okay, so think about those Legos again, but now they're glued together.
Oh, okay.
Right, you can't change just one piece without maybe breaking the whole thing.
Right.
That's tight coupling,
Gotcha.
It makes the whole system rigid, difficult to change.
Got it.
Prone to problems if you just need to tweak one little thing.
So kind of I don't want to touch anything because I might break the whole thing.
Exactly.
All right. And then there's also this thing about avoiding rigid class hierarchies.
Yeah, good one.
What's that all about?
Imagine a company, right? Super strict chain of command.
Okay.
If you need to change anything, it takes forever to get approval.
Right. You got to go all the way up the ladder.
Up and up and up the ladder.
Yeah.
That's kind of what rigid inheritance hierarchies can feel like.
Okay.
It slows everything down. Makes it hard to adapt.
And you're always waiting for someone to say yes or no.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So it sounds like this favor composition idea, it's not just for one type of programming, right?
Oh, no. It's a universal idea.
Gotcha.
Object-oriented, functional, modular, all of them.
So it's everywhere.
It's a design philosophy, right? Flexibility, maintainability, key concepts.
Okay. So no matter what language you're using, Java, C++, Python, whatever, it's all there.
It's baked in.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really cool.
And you know what? This actually goes beyond code.
Oh, really?
It's a bigger idea.
Okay.
It's about understanding how well-designed systems work.
Gotcha.
Physical, digital, doesn't matter.
Interesting.
Modularity, flexibility. Okay, so how does this connect to someone who's not a programmer?
Good question.
Why should they even care about this?
Because it's about good design, period.
Okay.
Think about a website, right? Or an app that's just so easy to use.
Yeah, you just know how to use it.
Right. Chances are the developers followed this principle.
They knew what they were doing.
They made something robust, user-friendly.
Gotcha.
So it affects you every day.
Okay, so next time I'm using a clunky website, I can just be they should favored composition.
Exactly.
I liked it.
You start seeing it everywhere.
Yeah.
And, even if you never write a line of code, you can appreciate good design.
That's good.
It's about making things adaptable, maintainable.
Right.
Enjoyable to use. That's the key.
All right, so there you have it, folks. favor composition over inheritance.
A classic.
Yeah, and honestly, I think we all learned something today, right?
Absolutely.
No matter what you do.
It's about how to build great systems.
Yeah, and who knows? Maybe you'll start noticing this principle in your own life, too.
You might be surprised.
Yeah. All right, that's going to wrap it up for us today.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.